Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Research channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Pre-AF on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the focus section, so this purple section right here, and then we're going to select AF/MF, and here we have Pre-AF. So what this option basically does is you decide whether you want to focus or not before the focus button or the shutter button is half pressed. So you have a shutter button, and if you half press it, it's going to start focusing. And usually, if Pre-AF is enabled, it's going to help you focus before you even press the button, so automatically, basically. So just open this, select the option that you want, and once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings, and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.